Today is the 20th day and I'll talk to you on Unlearn to Relearn, the myth of overnight success, why slow invisible growth wins. What looks like overnight success is built on years of invisible effort. The obsession with fast wins make people quit too soon. Unlearning this myth is the key to building lasting, AI-proof growth. I am 𝗧𝗵𝗲 best-selling author, resilience strategist, and work-life balance coach. My dear friend, I welcome you on the 20th day of Unlearn to Relearn. We admire overnight success, but here is the truth. Success is never overnight. It's compounded persistence finally becoming visible. What you will learn in today's episode. In this episode, you shall discover why fast success is a dangerous illusion. Second, the neuroscience of persistence and why the brain resists delayed rewards. Third, two global case studies proving slow growth outlasts fast wins. Fourth, a framework to stay consistent even when results are invisible. Now understand the science of slow growth. A 2023 MIT study found startups with gradual growth trajectories were 2.5 times more likely to survive 10 years compared to those with early spikes. Psychologists call this the dopamine trap. Our brains chase quick wins, but lasting success requires compounding of growth. When you stay consistent, your results multiply silently until one day they look like overnight success. My dear friends, you can think it is like an iceberg, 90% of which always remain submerged in the water, not visible. Only 10% is visible. So, the silent progress happens when there is no one to clap, there is no one to celebrate. But at the 10% when it is visible, the world can see. Here I present you the case study of Arjun from India. Arjun, 35, was an independent musician in Pune. He uploaded songs for 5 years. Few views, little recognition. His friends told him to quit. Many of you can correlate your own experience. How many of you might have been told, quit it, leave it? It is not your cup of tea, right? But Arjun stayed consistent. One song went viral, pulling his entire catalogue into the spotlight. That's what happened with any musician if you look around. Today, he earns through streaming, shows, and global collaboration. His lesson, my overnight success took 5 years of invisible work submerged in the water. Here is the second case study I present. Sofia from Spain. Sofia, 42, started a food blog in Madrid in 2014. For years, traffic was slow, but she kept publishing weekly. Many of you do it so, I have seen, in various platforms, in YouTube, Instagram, and where not. During the pandemic, when searches for home cooking exploded, her archive made her one of Europe's top-ranked food bloggers. Her consistency became her advantage. She later said, slow growth built the foundation for explosive reach. Here are the key insights. Overnight success is a myth. Consistency compounds silently, then suddenly. Unlearn the obsession with fast results. It doesn't exist. Relearn the art of showing up daily. Be consistent. Here are the journal prompts for you to write. What invisible work am I doing today that my future self will thank me for? Your futures will thank you when you listen to this episode and implement. Affirmation. I trust the process. My daily actions create my breakthrough. Slow is strong, invisible is powerful. Free tool for you. Consistency compass. Today's resource is consistency compass. It will provide you track invisible progress. That 90% which is submerged in the water, that can be tracked. Second, reframe no results into silent compounding. What appears to be no result is nothing but silent compounding. That is 1% growth per day amounts to 40% almost yearly, a massive growth. Build microsystem for long-term wins. DM day 20 to receive it instantly. My dear friend, here is call to action for you. Comment, I choose compounding over instant results. DM day 20 for the consistency compass. Tag someone chasing overnight success. Let him not chase. Subscribe, because 21st day is unlearning self-reliance. Why you can't grow alone. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.